Hi folks, I'm Joe Tomasello with WNY Metro Roberts Real Estate, the fastest growing real estate company in all of Western New York. Today I'm here at 13367 Cherry Tree Lane in the village of Alden. It is literally one of the most prestigious streets in all of the village, with the nature preserve literally at the end of the street. Contact me today for a private showing of this new build. It's just under construction. It's probably going to be finished in less than 60 days. And again, ask about our guarantee sale program where you move up to this home and I'll sell your home for free.